Hi, this is Liwei, and I want to give everyone a quick tour of the new feature in version 3 of the Excel add-in, and that is the ability to schedule summary reports. Firstly, I'm going to generate a report as it has been possible previously, but I'm going to pay attention to the filters and options as these settings that I'm choosing are going to be remembered and then used when the report is scheduled. I would import the endpoint data and also the detection and threats data. Well, these are the two required objects in order to provide enough information for a summary report. I'm going to continue to generate this report, specifying whether I want HTML, PDF, a combination, as well as the different delivery recipients. This particular generation is not the schedule, but perhaps I'm choosing to review that the report is exactly the way that I want it to be. Once satisfied, I'm going to click on this schedule button, and I'm being presented with options that, as I would probably expect from for the capability to schedule reports. So I can choose a schedule such as daily, weekly, and monthly. In this case, as an example, we're going to choose a delivery every Monday at approximately 7 p.m. The way that the report works is that as part of the installation, a Windows service is also installed. The Windows service is going to wake up every 30 minutes and then determine if a report needs to be executed. By adding a schedule, the definition, which is saved in JSON format, is now saved in the Windows registry. I can view my schedule, turn it on, enable it, import, export, and so on using this particular screen. It actually has the ability you actually can edit this particular definition. If you pay attention and look through some of the options, it should be possible to do these edits as well. And if everything is done correctly, you would hopefully get the schedule report once a day. Let me now turn over to my email. This is the report that I just generated. And on the schedule basis, I would expect to see an email that is formatted similarly with the report attached. That is it for now. Thank you so much.